It's like religion or like anything else, it gets people riled up.
It's not just like a 10-minute deal, it's kind of patiently waiting and counting and recounting.
You have this idea at home behind the TV, like wow, there's a lot of people, but having the option to see visually, even broken apart, there's so many people that want to get their opinions shared.
No matter who wins, the people who are here are making a difference.
It's very non-conventional in comparison to the rest of the country, in which all of us pile in from our precincts.
Kind of set the precedent for who's in the lead for the national polling in the Democratic Party, and we also all gather together. This is like a number of different precincts, so across our area, and then we all gather precinct by precinct in one of these rooms with all of the different candidates in there, and we stay with our candidate, and then they have to reach 15% in order to get their votes counted. So our goal is to get 15% or more of the people in there tonight to vote.
Currently a junior at West Leiden High School, and a group of students, around 33 students, have came to see the Iowa caucuses go on, since we don't have it at home in Chicago. And really what we want to do is kind of diversitize our opinions on what people think, especially for the Democratic caucuses.
I'm here because I think that a lot of people my age don't believe that their voice matters, and because a lot of us are not 18 yet, they don't think that they can come to these things even if they're going to be 18 before the election. And I know that my voice does matter, so I'm obviously here to let people moving forward know who I am supporting.
There was a participant, doing this caucus thing, and she was part of the same group that I wanted to join and be a part of, but she was kind of in your face, kind of bossing you around, and it's I don't know, I just kind of think it pushes people the wrong way. And instead of having conversations, it's just trying to force something. So a lot of people are withdrawing and choosing other things because of it. It's not really helpful.
I just believe that we all